Many a times we feel our thoughts flying in despair, thinking of what better could have been done to avoid that particular situation in the SSP, or how you could have done better in the interview. This is the negative state of mind. This is where one needs to show positiveness, an important OLQ. Being positive not only makes you self confident, but also gives you a feeling of intense satisfaction on whatever you do. After all, none of us want to be in grumpy, complaining, and a sad company. By choosing to take a positive outlook on life, you can begin to shift out of a negative frame of mind and see life as filled with possibilities and solutions instead of worries and obstacles. Hello, warriors. Welcome to SSP Crack Exams. I am Anuradha, and if you want to know how to think more positively in your life, that will also help you to get selected in your SSP interview, then welcome to this session on the steps that you need to follow to practice positivity in life. And this is true not only for all people, but also especially for all defense aspirants. Right? So let us begin with some important steps, some important ways that you could incorporate in your life in order to start thinking and behaving positively. Right? So let's start. But before that, let me tell you that now you can prepare for the different defense competitive exams at the comfort of your home by just logging on to our website sspcrackexams.com or by simply downloading our mobile app from the Google Play Store. So hurry up, download our mobile app right now and subscribe to the course that you'll be preparing for. So let's start one by one the different steps that you need to practice to stay positive in your life. And the first step is think positive. Right, so those who think positively double their chance to realize happiness, and this is most important to conquer. But the ones who does it increases their chances of success. Next is to surround yourself with positive vibes. Optimists learn one lesson early in their life. The more positive your surroundings and companions are, the more positive will you and your own outlook will be towards life and its challenges. However, this is not completely in our hands. We can't decide for the people around us. They have to make their own choices. However, what can be done is to slowly and steadily limit contact with those who bog you down every time they speak to you. If the relationship is important, don't cut off all contact, but do take care to limit your conversations and the time spent with such people. Also, take care not to share anything of consequence with them. Therefore, focus on small talk. The next step in order to do positively in your life is to have self confidence. Happy people believe in themselves. They believe in their goals, their wisdom, their power. They see themselves as winners. They believe they will prevail in the long term. So become happy and become self confident. Next is to understand the benefits of being a positive thinker. Choosing to think more positively will not only help you take control of your life and make your everyday experiences more pleasant, but it can also benefit your mental and physical health as well as your ability to deal with change. From an increased lifespan to lower rates of depression and distress, a positive person has a more natural ability to form relationships and cement bonds. Take responsibility for your attitude. You are solely responsible for your thoughts, and your outlook on life is a choice. If you tend to think negatively, you are choosing to think that way. With practice, you can choose to have a more positive outlook. Keep a diary to reflect your thoughts. Recording your thoughts can enable you to step back and evaluate patterns in your thinking. Write down your thoughts and feelings and try to spot any triggers that lead to either positive or negative thoughts. Taking just 20 minutes to follow your pattern of thinking at the end of every day can be a valuable way to identify your negative thoughts and make a plan to change them to positive thoughts. Next is to visit a peaceful place. It can help to have a personal escape when you need to turn your attitude around. Many people find that spending a little time outdoors improves their mood, and nothing is good than a fresh air with so many trees around. The other step that you can follow is to focus on the brighter side of a given issue. Every situation will have two sides to it, one favorable and the other one not quite desirable. Optimists, when confronted with something that cannot be prevented or circumvented, are the people who immediately shift their focus to glean out all that's good about it. This helps them make the best of the situation, with the results sometimes turning out to be even better than what would have come otherwise. The next one is to dream big and generously. Don't shrink your thoughts. Eternal optimist is the person who knows that only when you dream big can you achieve something that's worthwhile. If you have set your goal small, you have limited the scope of your life. So start dreaming big and start dreaming generously. The next thing is to do is to be passionate about all that you can do. For optimists, SSP is more than just the feeling of getting recommended. It is also an opportunity to learn, grow, and do better. Love what you do because that is what will take you places. Practice mindfulness at all times. Optimists don't revise their past constantly, nor do they make castles in the air of the future. They are happy because they are realistic, and realists stay in the present. They know that the only time that matters is the present. It's the only time when you have any real power to do anything. Fake it until you make it. Do you know that a happy person tends to smile? If you don't, it's a fact that being positive and happy brings you a smile on your face. However, studies show that the reverse is also true. That is, if you smile or just fake a smile, you are more likely to be happy and positive. Learn to accept failures. The last but not the least is to learning to accept failures as inevitable steps towards success. Optimists learn to accept failures for what they are, part and parcel of life, must haves for future success, learning opportunities, bitter medicine, tough to swallow and yet necessary for good health. Choose whichever description you like, but remember not to get bogged down the next time you fail. Always remember this one thing when you feel low or less motivated. It has been billions of years since Earth came into existence, and it will last for another billions of years while you are gone. Your life is just less than that of a drop of water in the big ocean. No one will remember you as a negative person, but will surely do as an optimist who had influence on their lives. So ask yourselves to be happy in this very fragment of the life of Earth because life is too small to be sad. So cheer up, stay tuned to SSB Crack Exams, work hard, and stay positive in your life always. If you want to now prepare for your SSP interview in a much more confident and an easy way, then we are here for your rescue. Order these books off. The links of these books are given in the description box below. So order these books off from Amazon and Flipkart and start preparing for your bright future. We are always there for you. So stay tuned to SSB Crack Exams, work hard, and stay motivated. Jai Hind.